Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So you guys, this episode starts off with Induna. Aibo Induna ivakashele uvuma guys, and listen, Induna is not looking happy and I can't blame him. Remember Pela Izolo Ukwenzo confronted Induna and told Induna, whoa wena, mina o usibongile owami, back off. So anyway, Induna Uvuma walks into a lounge while Induna's already seated. So Uvuma's like wondering, what is this visit about? Because uyabona nasebusweni ukuthi Induna is not smiling today. So Uvuma says, Linda Mkhonto. Then the Induna goes on to say, Wembambo, unjani maunje? Inkomo zami ngempela, are they not enough for you, Mbambo? Uvuma's like, hey bo, ukhuluma ngani Linda Mkhonto, and he sits down. Ayike Induna goes on to say, angithi lo mfana wakwaDlamini lesi stupid lesi sifike laphayana kimi sizothi ukuthi usibongile ngowaso. Uvuma's like, how? He's surprised by this. Induna goes on to say, hey bo, ungazenzisi, don't act surprised. Ungangenzi nje islima Vuma. Ngiyabuza namanje inkomo zami, is it not for you is it not enough for you Nambambo? Uvuma then says, angazi Nduna, kungani you are accusing me of being a blind person? Ngoba amehlo ami ayabona futhi abona kahle. Nami ngiyazibonela ukuthi inkomo zakho zinhle, azikho futhi ezidlula zona. And then Induna says, kodwa uyazinqaba. Uvuma says, ukhuluma kahle ke, yebo ngiyazinqaba. Nginqabe zakho, nginqaba anyone else's cows for that matter. Even inkomo zalo Dlamini omshoyo ngiyazinqaba. Do you remember, Nduna, when you approached me regarding this proposal? Ngathi angeke ilunge le ndaba. Usibongile mncane, uyafunda. Induna goes on to say, kanti lo Sibongile wakho uzofunda impilo yakhe yonke. Guys, that's my question. Ukuthi lo Sibongile wakhe. Anyway, Uvuma says, cha, abunjalo kodwa mncane uSibongile. And then Induna says, hayi ngiyabuza Mbambo, yikuthi nje na mina akulula ukuthi ngamkele ukuthi awufuni ngoSibongile ngoba bengifisa ukuthi ayoganela kwaceba likhulu. Uvuma then says, if ungabuyisa kahle umqondo Nduna, ngaxwayisa ngalomfana, ngaluthula udaba lalomfana wena wangalinaki. Goes on to say, ngathi kuwena Bhasopa, mawuvumela lo mfana ukuthi aze la eqobo uzosinikeza inkinga sonke. Kunjani mokunjeke? Induna then says, hayi bo, uzonikeza nami inkinga? Uzama ungitshela ukuthi lo mfana semkhulu angakho. Uyabona ukuthi Mbamba lento oyikhulumayo yinhlamba leyo ishoyo kodwa. Hayi ke Mbamba, akunayo inkinga, kulungile. Yeah, I guess sizobona. And then the scene ends like that. I'm just like, look at Uvuma trying to capitalize on the situation. Listen, it looks like ukwenza izophumile laphayana because listen, he went to go and tramp on the wrong toes, you guys. Next scene, we see uNomfundo ukwakhe. She is pressing her phone. She's busy smiling there and she's sending a voice note. Voice note, she's saying, Samke uNomfundo from the restaurant. Bengifuna nje ukubonga man ukuthi ungukuthi ungilalele. Yazi angazi ukuthi ngenzeni ngenzeni engaka nje ngokuthola ingane ngokubusiswa nje nengane elunge kanje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uBoy manje, I believe that he has accepted my relationship nomxolisi. As she's speaking like that, the door opens. Kanti kungena bani? Ungena unjengaye, and he's listening in on the conversation. And he's smiling that time, which he did not expect to hear that conversation. So Nomfundo goes on to say, so ngiyabonga ngakho konke nje ngiyabonga. Then unomfundo turns, because she heard the door, she turns her face when she's done sending the voice note. Unjengai at this point, uhlingile, guys. He is not happy. Unomfundo is surprised. She gets up as often. She's like, Njengai, uzwe yonke le nkulumo kade bengiyikhuluma or kade ngiyikhuluma. Unjengai is like, yeah, ngizwe yonke. Ngifisa ngabe angizwanga nje. Wena nalo mxolisi lento yenu iyaqina vele. Then umfundo's like, yeah, iyaqina. Unjengai is like, ay, bengalindele nje leyo mpendulo. Then that scene ends. I'm just like, what was Unjengai expecting? That Unjengai, was he giving unomfundo space so that he's like, asibone which is ophelelapi, thinking which unomfundo is gonna come back running to him? Sorry, sir. Next scene, girl, we see unokhuzana umkhize, uNelly, she's busy washing in the laundry room, and then umkhize comes in and he gives her flowers, you guys. So he gives her flowers, and uNelly's like, oh, so sweet, and don. Umkhize tells her, Wuti, these flowers, I got them from the Dlamini garden. Yo, uNelly, yamazi guys, uNelly, she just, she gets anxious over the smallest things. She's like, hi, ungathini ukuthi umede ma abone in ayangisawafuni mina Khize. So Khize, while he's coming closer to Haga, like stuff like that, uNelly's like, Khize uyanginukela, like le perfume yakho is not smelling nice, and then she actually wants to vomit. Guys, this is the second time, and this is obvious, it's giving obvious vibes. uNelly, guys, ukhulelwe ngengane kaMkhize, and she doesn't know it yet. But Umkhize takes offense because he takes it in a way ukuthi uyanuka kanti hayi Mkhize, the problem is not with you. The problem is uNelly first trimester, and first trimester ihamba nani? Morning sickness. Anyway, next scene we see uKwenzo and uSibongile kwaMbalenhle. I was asking myself, why hlezi behlanganela kwaMbalenhle, knowing that uVuma can come there anytime. But listen, this is the safest thing because uSibongile doesn't want to be in a private space, no Kwenzo, in case anything happens. And listen, that is a smart move, my darling. So uKwenzo goes on to say, yazi izinto ziyenzeka kodwa-ke mina nawe Sibongile sesidlule kwizinto eziningi nje, like we've been through a lot mina nawe. uSibongile is like, yeah, uqinisile-ke lapho. As she's still speaking, noKwenzo kungena bani emnyango? Ubaba uVuma. Hey, ubaba uVuma angene aqalaze, and he notices uSibongile benoKwenzo sitting together. I get uSibongile, can see she's awkward. Atshela uKwenzo ukuthi yo, Ubaba is here. So they're both feeling awkward. uVuma just pauses, he looks at them, he walks over to their table. uVuma, when he gets there to their table, he's like, Mambambo, uhleli nalo mfana okuhlanyisayo. Lo mfana ohudula igama lami edakeni. Uhambe ngikhuluma kabi emphakathini waseXhobo. Umyeni wakho lo. I'm just like, and then Vuma, he's scared that's not the case. He's scared this is not your husband, male manje. And then he looks at Sibongile, he's like, nangu, male phambi kwami. Sibongile just keeps quiet, guys. Umbambo's like, male phela, male. Hayibo, unokhuzana, guys, everyone in the place now is looking at them because Umbambo is raising his voice at this point. He's like, male Sibongile manje. Awungihloniphi wena Sibongile. Wena nalo nje aningihloniphi. Yithe male manje. Yingelosi kaSathane lo Sibongile. Uthunyiwe nomfana, uthunye ukuthi azongiphinda ngesifo senhliziyo. USathane lo usemsebenzini lo muntu. Hayi uSibongile is quiet there, she doesn't know what to say. uVuma goes on to say ukuthi yazi kuyangidumaza ukuthi indodakazi yami is taking iside lalo muntu. Male phela Sibongile, nangu. Sibongile just looks asibhekele phansi, guys, and then uVuma can see ukuthi uSibongile shame. Hayibo, cabanga-ke ubaba wakho ezoxabanise nephakade lakho uzothini-ke uSibongile-ke akafuni. uVuma like, kulungile mntanami, ngiyofa ngazi ukuthi ukuthi usebenze noSathane ukuze azingele impilo yami. Kulungile, kulungile Sibongile, jabulani mntanam, ulungile. As he's saying that, guys, uVuma starts having chest pain and he starts holding his chest. Usibongile aphakame and she's like, Baba. uVuma's like, yeke. Vele usathane hleze enqoba nje ngoba usebenzisa amasosha anenkohliso nje. Ngiyeke Sibongile. He walks off, guys. As he's even walking off, uyambona ukuthi uyakhohlela, guys. He's almost falling there. Sibangile's like, Baba. uVuma's like, yay, wena. He walks out and you can see ukuthi like uyakhala, like he's feeling pain. uKwenzo just gets up and then he hugs uSibongile. Idrama engaka baba uVuma. Amehlo enganini. Hayi baba uVuma, hayi we're wrong. Then anyway, next scene we see uVelephi, guys. uVelephi sitting in a room and she is looking sad, shame, guys. And I kind of get it. But uVelephi naye, she wants to play both sides. One thing she wants to be a good girl, one thing she wants to be a bad guy, a bad girl. And that's the thing, guys. Ukuziphatha kahle njengentombazane or njengomuntu wesimame will take you very far. I don't even want to lie. Many times when people say that we get defensive, but it's true. The reason why most of the men want uSibongile because uziphethe kahle, guys. So no one wants to settle down nomuntu ozomnikeza inkinga or someone that you think ukuthi masokushubile angaphuma ngomnyango anytime. And uVelephi looks like those types ukuthi masokushubile angaziphumela ngomnyango. So Sangweni comes in, he notices ukuthi uVelephi is not fine. Then he comes in, he's like, Velephi, sits on the bed with her. He's like, ngihlangane nomalume, wase wangichazela ke. And then he says, asikho nje isidingo sokuthi ukhale lana, uzivalele, umoshe isikhathi sakho, ukhale ngezinto ezincane nje. uVelephi says, Sangweni, if you're really trying to make me feel better, akusebenzi shame. Sangweni is like, cha, angizami ukwenza kanjalo. Velephi yazi ukuthi ufanele izinto ezi-right empilweni, izinto eziningi and izinto ezinhle. When I talk about izinto ezinhle, ngikhuluma ngama-billboard or red carpet. At this point, uVelephi is smiling because that's what she wants to hear then. uSangweni goes on to say, izinto ezi-right nje, hayi lezi izinto ozikhalelayo, and futhi ngiyakuthembisa sisi wami, ukuthi uma kuhamba isikhathi, all of these things will happen. Then uVelephi is smiling there, she's like, ngiyabonga mntakama. uSangweni is like, yeah, ukhohlwe about these meaningless things. What I do want to say, I do feel like uVelephi has potential, you guys, but I feel like uyazingabaza in a sense because it's like she's depending on other people to take her to the top. It's like she doesn't feel like she has the capabilities. She feels like, yes, I have the talent, but I don't have the capabilities to take myself to the top. And ngesinye isikhathi, guys, ungazilahlela ebantwini. If you believe really you are destined for greatness, pray about it. God will bring good people in your life to take you there. Hayi abantu abazokuyuza or hayi ngokuyuzana nabantu to get to the top the way uVelephi is going about things. Again, next scene here we see ubaba uVuma. Actually, we see uKhozwayo, uKwavuma. He's sitting, he's having itiye. Ungene uVuma emnyango. uVuma's wearing his blazer, angazi ukuthi uvelaphi, but listen, uVuma uyaphuma, guys. He is angry. He comes in a kitchen and he's pacing the room, walking up and down. uKhuzwayo umangala uthi, and then kwenzakalani lana? uVuma's like, uyabona namhlanje? Hayi. Ngathi ngiyibhom nje elingaphuma noma yinini. Uthi angizusangana nje kodwa. Then uKhuzwayo says, namhlanje olunye usuku olunjalo kuwena. uVuma's like, inhlonipho. He sits down. It's like, abantu abasenayo inhlonipho. uKhuzwayo then says, ubani loyo uKwenzo? uVuma says, naye lowo benoSibongile abangihloniphi kodwa induna yona. uKhuzwayo is like, hayi bo, usenzeni induna manje Sibali? uVuma's like, ifike la kwami, yangikhomba, ngeqiniso angalazi. Mese mina mangiyalaphayana kuyena, manje ungitshelani? uKhuzwayo is like, ngeke Sibali. Ungitshela ukuthi induna ikhombe wena Sibali wami ngomunwe. uVuma goes on to say, ngifike laphayana, ngiyomchazela, uyanqaba ukungibona lo khanda likhulu, akangihloniphi. uKhuzwayo is like, hey, wadamela Sibandi, Hey, if ungangibuza nje, if bowungibuzile, mhlampe mnikeze into ayifunayo induna. UVuma zathi, manje-ke angikubuzanga. Ngikubuzile? Yebo noma cha? Ngikubuzile na? Uyabona ukuthi wawena nje awusangihloniphi ngathi yes sis, this episode kukhala uVuma left, right and center. Ukhuzaza kodwa Sibari, ukungamnikezi izifiso zakhe, ungamhloniphi ukuphindaphindana lokho. Ungabuza noma yiphi indoda and siyazi mina nawe ukuthi wena awufuni ukubukeka njengaleyo ndoda emphakathini as indoda engahloniphi. I'm just like, aibo guys, even if uyinduna, aibo induna deserves to be told no. Ingane yakhe phela lo uVuma. UVuma like, yeah, kodwa-ke nami phela angithandi ukubukeka nje njengendoda engahloniphi. Ukhuzwayo zakho, okay-ke manje uthini? UVuma zathi manje kunjani? Hayi bo wena, lalela Sibali, umpumelele akasoze ashade uSibongile, ngeke? Then the scene just ends like that. Hi, next thing kwambalenhle uKwenzo noSibongile are sitting outside. It looks like there's an outside section. And listen, uSibongile, she looks stressed. So uKwenzo's like, Sibongile, sesiside lesi sikhathi ungasho lutho. Yini, udliwa yini, or is it le nto eshiwo ubaba wakho? uSibongile like, ukuthi Kwenzo, kumele ngenze into that I never thought I would have to do. uKwenzo's like, yini leyo? uSibongile's like, nginesicelo and futhi ngizocela ukuthi uvume. uKwenzo's like, hawu kodwa sithando sami, ngivuma kanjani into engingayazi? uSibongile's like, Kwenzo, ngicela ukuthi ubuyele eThekwini. uKwenzo's like, ini? uSibongile's like, angizali Kwenzo. Kwenzo looks confused. He's like, uhlukana nami Sibongile? uSibongile's like, cha Kwenzo, angisoze ngakwala mina. uKwenzo's like, pho, induna ifikile kini, icele isibusiso sababa wakho ukuthi ushade noMpumelelo. Manje wena sewucela ukuthi mina ngiphindele eThekwini. uSibongile's like, abusona isizathu esenza ukuthi ngicele lento engiyicelayo Kwenzo. Kwenzo's like, yini pho Sibongile yini? Why are you going around in circles? Khuluma nami. Kwenzakalani Sibongile ngempela? uSibongile's like, Kwenzo, ngidinga ukude nobaba. uKwenzo's like, hey bo, mina angenzanga lutho njena erongo, angenzanga lutho. uSibongile's like, uyenzile Kwenzo. uKwenzo's like, ngenzeni Sibongile, ngenzeni? uSibongile's like, Kwenzo, uhambe wayotshela induna ukuthi ngingumuntu wakho. You disrespected ubaba wami. uKwenzo's like, hayi bo, kahle kahle kanti wena awuyena umuntu wami, awuyena umuntu wami manje ye? Angeke ngivume Sibongile ukuthi ushade indoda or enye indoda ngibe ngisaphila mina. At this point, uKwenzo standing on his feet because listen, he is mad at isicelo sika Sibongile. And then unokhuzana uSibongile says, Kwenzo, akuyona indawo yakho leyo. Impilo ayisebenzi kanjalo. Awusiyena ubaba wami, awunalo igwinyo lokusho lokho. uKwenzo is like, okay fine, angiyena ubaba wakho, uyena muntu onogwinya angithi. Kodwa ubaba wakho uhlulekile ukungaba kwinduna angithi. Sibongile, I'm not the one who doesn't respect your father la, yinduna. Basically saying ukuthi the nduna is just respecting your father by forcing this whole thing of Mpumelelo. uLokhuzana uSibongile zathi, angifuni mina Kwenzo to be arguing about or to be arguing with you about who respected who. Into engiyidingayo kuwena ukuthi usuke eduzane nobaba. uKwenzo is like, hey, angeke ngikwenze lokho Sibongile. Angizelanga la eTopo mina, angizelanga la eTopo. And angizelanga wena la eTopo. Angizelanga ubaba wakho la eTopo. Ngizele ubaba wami neMgazini factory. uSibongile zathi, kodwa Kwenzo, omunye umuntu angayenza leyo nto. Another person can do that job. uKwenzo zathi, well, I won't let anyone else do it. Sikhuluma ngefa lababa wami la Sibongile. uSibongile zathi, shuthi-ke ngicela ukuthi ungithembise ukuthi uzodlalela kude nobaba. Angithi nawe Kwenzo uzibonele. Umbonile ukuthi cishe wavukela isifo senhliziyo phambi kwakho. Ubonile nawe. Kwenzo's like, yeah, ngikubonile lokho. Futhi-ke ngimzwe kahle. he was accusing us ukuthi thina sebenza noSathane, waphinda wathi mina nawe we wanna take him kwindlu yakhe yokugcina. Sibongile, sobabili siyazi ukuthi akulona iqiniso lelo. Umsebenzi wethu-ke manje yukuthi sizame ukwenza ubabakho ukuthi understand. Sibongile is like, hayi manje Kwenzo ngiyacela, just give ubaba wami some space. Ngiyacela Kwenzo, like yenzela thina. And then Kwenzo's like, okay. Guys, I'm just like, Usbongila, I don't know. But Ukwenzo, when he's saying what he didn't come to Ekop, I'm just like, Skwenzo, you know very well which was their life but to to impress Ubaba Rasbongila and things are not going well. I think maybe it's best for Ukwenzo to go back at Tegwini so that Ubabu Vumashaya and Umoyo, because at this point, things are getting worse and worse. Anyway, guys, let's park it right here. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please also do make sure that you watch the ads. Please do not skip them. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the next one.